Get ready for the showdown you didn't know you needed. Humans versus the animal kingdom in the ultimate endurance battle. We're diving deep into the grit, the sweat, and the raw stamina that separates champions from quitters. Humans are legendary for their ability to run marathons and ultramarathons, but can we really stack up against the likes of sled dogs tearing through icy tundras or wild stallions charging across endless plains? Today, we'll uncover the secrets behind nature's most relentless endurance athletes. From the blazing heat of deserts to the frosty winds of Arctic trails, we'll see who truly reigns supreme. Let the battle begin. Endurance is more than just going the distance. It's about survival, adaptability, and sheer willpower. Whether you're a human chasing down prey or a wolf tracking dinner, it comes down to a few key factors. First, there's aerobic power. How efficiently can your body pump oxygen to keep you moving? Humans excel here, thanks to our high VO2 max and the ability to sweat buckets instead of overheating. Then there's energy storage. While we rely on glycogen and fat reserves, animals like huskies turn high-fat diets into fuel for legendary feats. Terrain mastery is also critical. Wolves dominate forests, camels own deserts, and humans adapt to almost anything with the right mindset and tools. And finally, there's mental toughness. This is where humans shine. Our ability to push through pain and exhaustion often gives us an edge in the long game. But let's dig into what really makes humans such endurance superstars. It all starts with sweat, our secret weapon. Humans have 2 to 4 million sweat glands all over our bodies, which allow us to cool down while running. Unlike animals like dogs, which rely on panting, or horses and camels, which sweat less effectively, humans can regulate body temperature and keep going longer. Having no fur also helps, giving us an edge over many other species when it comes to staying cool during a long run. Our unique running mechanics are another key advantage. Human running involves 2 main phases: aerial, when both feet are off the ground, and stance, when at least one foot is in contact with the ground. During the aerial phase, gravity pulls us down, creating kinetic energy. When we hit the ground, that energy is lost, unless you're a human. The springy tendons and muscles in our legs act like pogo sticks, converting that kinetic energy into elastic potential energy, which we store and reuse. Our IT band, for example, can store 15 to 20 times more elastic energy than a chimpanzee's similar structure. This gives us a massive efficiency boost, reducing the effort needed with every step and allowing us to keep going for miles. But why did humans develop these unique traits? Anthropologists believe it all started 2 to 3 million years ago when early humans began hunting and scavenging. Without the speed of predators like cheetahs, we turned to persistence hunting, tracking prey over long distances until it overheated or became too exhausted to escape. This technique remained in use as recently as 2014 with the Sand People of the Kalahari Desert, showcasing the same skills that gave our ancestors a survival edge. Modern runners carry this legacy forward. Marathon legends like Eliud Kipchoge and ultramarathoners like Scott Jurek are proof of the amazing endurance adaptations humans possess. But the animal kingdom is full of its own endurance champions, and it's time to meet the competition. The animal kingdom is packed with endurance superstars, each dominating in their environment. Huskies are icy legends, thriving in sub-zero temperatures and pulling sleds over 1,000 miles in races like the Iditarod. Their ability to burn fat for energy makes them the ultimate winter athletes. Horses, majestic yet powerful, dominate events like endurance riding, galloping across rugged landscapes for 100 miles in a single day. And it's not just their speed, it's their stamina over difficult terrain that makes them so impressive. Wolves use persistence hunting much like humans, tracking prey for miles with stamina and strategy. Their teamwork and stamina in packs allow them to take down larger prey over time. Camels, the kings of the desert, travel 50+ miles a day without breaking a sweat. Their ability to store fat in their humps and regulate water loss gives them unparalleled endurance in arid conditions. Reindeer, cold climate marathoners, migrate over 1,000 miles annually through freezing tundras. Picture these herds trudging through snowstorms, braving icy winds in search of greener pastures. Even birds get a piece of the endurance crown. Albatrosses can fly thousands of miles without stopping, gliding on ocean winds. Meanwhile, tiny hummingbirds undertake mind-boggling migrations, flying up to 500 miles at a time with wings beating 50 times per second. Not to be outdone, emperor penguins march up to 70 miles across Antarctic ice to feed their families in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. Marine animals also enter the fray. Great white sharks swim hundreds of miles non-stop, showing endurance unmatched in the underwater world. And sea turtles are no slouches either. They migrate thousands of miles between feeding and nesting grounds, crossing entire oceans in the process. So how do humans stack up in a head-to-head battle with these endurance champions? In hot climates, humans dominate. Sweat cooling lets us outrun prey like antelope or zebra, which rely on panting and eventually overheat. But in cold terrains, huskies reign supreme, their thick fur and fat-burning efficiency crushing anything humans can achieve. On open plains, pronghorn antelopes leave us in the dust, maintaining speeds of 40 to 50 miles per hour for miles. These speed-endurance hybrids can outrun almost any predator over distance. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more.